In the blink of an eye, the gaming industry has exploded into a titan of the entertainment world. Did you know that by the end of 2023, the global gaming market was worth a staggering $165 billion? With over 2.7 billion gamers across the globe, this industry shows no signs of slowing down. Now let's dive into the virtual world and explore some of the most popular games that have defined this industry. First on our list, we have the adrenaline-fueled world of Fortnite. With its fast-paced gameplay and vibrant graphics, Fortnite has captivated millions. Whether it's the thrill of the last man standing or the joy of building your own fortress, Fortnite offers a unique blend of strategy and action that keeps players coming back for more. Next, we venture into the sprawling fantasy world of the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. From battling dragons to exploring vast dungeons, Skyrim offers an immersive experience that has left gamers spellbound. Its rich lore and endless quests have made it a timeless classic in the world of gaming. Moving on, we have the strategic world of League of Legends. With its dynamic gameplay and complex strategies, League of Legends has become a staple in the world of esports. Its competitive nature and ever-evolving meta have kept players on their toes and audiences on the edge of their seats. Now, as we look towards the horizon, the future of gaming holds endless possibilities. With advancements in technology such as virtual reality and augmented reality, the line between the virtual and real world continues to blur. Imagine exploring a fantasy world not just on a screen, but as if you were actually there, feeling the wind on your face and hearing the rustle of leaves underfoot. Moreover, the rise of cloud gaming promises to revolutionize the gaming industry. No longer will gamers be constrained by the hardware limitations of their consoles or PCs. With cloud gaming, any device with an internet connection can become a high-powered gaming machine. In addition, the integration of blockchain technology in gaming opens up a whole new world of possibilities. From owning unique digital assets to earning real-world value through gameplay, blockchain gaming could redefine the economics of gaming. In conclusion, the gaming industry continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, offering us new worlds to explore, new challenges to conquer, and new ways to connect with each other. As technology advances and the world of gaming evolves, who knows what exciting adventures await us in the virtual world? So gear up, gamers. The future is looking brighter and more exciting than ever before.